Hello everyone, welcome to Abhiyantriks. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Keil software. Keil is basically used for the embedded programming. So let's get started. First, we will download Keil software. The download link is given below in the description. Go to the product downloads. There are different products are available for different devices. Select which product you want to download and install. As you can see here, C51 is used for 8051 devices. C251 is used for 80251 devices, or else you can download all the products and install them. To download the product, just click on the name of the product. Fill up the contact information. Click on the submit button. Now you can see .exe file. Just click on the file name and downloading will start. Same way you can download all the other products. This time you don't have to fill any contact information. So just go and click on the .exe file and downloading will start. After downloading all the products, now we are going to download MDK version 4 legacy support because MDK version 5 uses software packs to support microcontroller devices. To maintain the compatibility with MDK version 4, we need legacy support. As you can see here, Keil has provided the reason why we should install the legacy support. To use the older devices that are not supported by device family pack, as well as to maintain the project's compatibility. As you can see here, the legacy support for Cortex-M devices as well as for the ARM7, ARM9 and Cortex-R devices are provided. Just go and click on the download button. As you can see here, I have already downloaded all the products and legacy support. Now we will install Keil 5. Just go and double click on the application. It will start installation. Then click on next. Click on I agree. Then next. Fill the customer information. Just write A and click on next. It will start the installation process. After installation is completed, just click on the finish button. Same way you can install all the other products. Click on next, click on I agree, next. Click on skip. MDK-ARM products will take some time for installation. Now I have installed all the products. Now let me show you why we need MDK version 4 legacy support. Now I'm going to create project for LPC 2148, that's ARM 7. So now we will create new project. We'll save this project as a test. As you can see here, we are not able to find LPC 2148 IC in software pack as well as in legacy device database because we have not installed the legacy support for the MDK version 4. So now I will close the Keil and install the legacy support. Click on next, click on I agree, then next, next. It will install the MDK version 4 legacy support. Click on finish. Now I am installing second legacy support file. Click on the finish. Now we have installed MDK version 4 legacy support. Again, we'll go and create project for LPC 2148, that is ARM7 IC. So project, new version project. We'll save as a test. Now you can see we have got the LPC 2148 IC in legacy device database. So we'll select it, click on OK. Yes. So that is the reason we need MDK version 4 legacy support. Thanks for watching this video.